Hiya, so today we've got a little propagation video for you.
Yeah, just a little beginner's guide for you.
Alright, here we go. Okay, so here we've got a nice devil's ivy, which are pretty easy to propagate. So what you want to do is find a bit on your plant where there's these little nodules here. Little knobs, if you will. And then all we're going to do is...
That leaves in the way.
Get some scissors. And you just snip below those little knobbly bits. So out there. Snip it off. Then I'm just going to break off those bottom two leaves because otherwise it won't be able to sit in the water. And then hopefully roots are going to grow from these three little bits. And then just get a little cup of water or anything. We've handily got my dad's old school test tube for some reason. And so we're just gonna pop it in like that. And then after maybe a couple of weeks, you'll see little fuzzy tiny roots start coming out of those. And then sort of maybe after a month or so, we'll probably want to move him into a bigger glass of water. And as the roots grow, you just move them into a bigger and bigger vessel. And over here is one that we've had growing some roots for quite a while. So you can see, if you see the knob, there's one of the knobbly bits and the roots are coming out of there.
So you want to get it nice and thick and long, the roots, before you pot them out in your
yeah. So that one's probably almost ready to be potted out. We'll just leave him there. And then we've also got a Pelia, or the Chinese money plant, here. So we're just going to take one. I might take one from around the back, which is probably about to drop it naturally anyway. Snip it off.
It's as close to the stem as you can, really.
And then again, literally just pop it in the water. And then you'll see the little fuzzy roots start to grow at the bottom after a couple of weeks. And there you have it. Simple propagation.